Hey, and welcome back to TIRATalks-Financial Planning. On this channel, I make videos about how my family is saving and investing to reach financial independence. In today's video, I'm going to be going over our net worth for the month of April. Your net worth is the difference between your assets, things that you own, minus your liabilities, things that you owe. Now, if your assets are more than your liabilities, you will have a positive net worth. If your liabilities are more than your assets, then you would have a negative net worth. Knowing your net worth is very useful because it gives you a clear snapshot of where you are financially. Let's take a look at our liquid assets, which includes our high yield savings account where we keep our emergency fund, our Robinhood account where we invest in dividend paying stocks, our N1 account where we invest in 10 ETFs, some cash, and our Coinbase account, which holds our cryptocurrency. Our emergency fund right now has a balance of $21,212.80. Our Robinhood account has $5,047.43. The N1 account has a value of $5,233.97. We have a little cash on hand of $515, and our Coinbase account is a little over $100, which gives us a total liquid asset of over $32,000. As you can see from this pie chart, we have about 66% of our liquid assets coming from our emergency fund and only about 32% from invested funds. Our non-liquid assets consist of 3 IRA accounts, which has a value of $19,362.95. Our home, which is valued at $390,000, and we also have 3 vehicles with a value of $19,400. Our total non-liquid assets is $428,762.95. Let's take a look at this pie chart. As you can see, our home at this time is our largest non-liquid asset. As we continue to invest, you will slowly see this change. Our liability consists of the mortgage on our home. Right now, we have a balance of over $253,000, which is a decrease of $1,215 from our March net worth update. At this time, we're not aggressively paying down our mortgage. However, if we have any additional income, we may go ahead and put that towards the principal on the loan. For the month of April, our assets total $460,892.26, and our liabilities total $253,401.37, which brings us to an overall net worth for April of $207,490.89. That is an increase of over $12,000. So we are only $42,509.11 before we hit our goal of having a $250,000 net worth for 2021. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And as always, thank you, and I appreciate you supporting my channel. Bye.